Yeah. Welcome to the €100 e-bike show.
Yeah. Hello, my friends. I will explain you today how to open and repair the Bafang 8 fun motor. First, you have to remove the screws on this top. As you see, I just removed them. And then you gently push on the other side on the axle, and then you get this gap, and then you can remove quite easy and nice the motor. Which I did. Here you can see it. It's the motor, and this is the hub of the motor. Yep. And then you just can remove the gears. You can, it's not necessary, but they will fall eventually off if you just work with the motor, so it's better to remove it and do it by the side. The main problem is that some of the wires from the phases will just get fucked up, and like I have it on the gap in the axle, there was a shortcut, so their motor did not work anymore, and so I opened it up and just soldered 3 new wires to the 3 motor phases. I just ignored the Hall sensors because I was quite lazy at this day and don't have fun to solder 9 small wires for the Hall sensors, and you don't need it anyway. I don't need it. If you need it, just do it. And yep, remove the glue from the gap so that you can put the new 3 wires in it, and there you go. Yep. So I'm done. I'm soldered it, 3 new wires, and don't forget to put some stickies on the wires so that you know which one is the red, the yellow, and the green one, and just put it all back in place, and you're good to go. It is that easy, and this is main 99% of the problems will be a wire. If you have the rest of the motor just can't get damaged. Yeah, maybe the gears can get fucked up, but how? If the thing is closed, there can no stone be in it or something like that. So yeah, it's quite easy. You don't need any special tool. Just do it and have fun. Bye.